Hey guys, welcome to my new video, and in this today's video I'll be showing you the handlebar riser for Honda Highness, Honda RS and this Honda CB350. So this one are from Carbon Racing and this was the box packaging. So this is small and good, and it came in protective this cover also. So these are the risers from Carbon Racing. These were well packed and the bolts here are packed in this. So this comes with 8 bolts, 4 taller one and 4 shorter ones, so total 8 bolts and these 2 risers. So these 2 risers are made from they call it like aircraft grade aluminium, and the finish is very good, superb, nothing to complain, and this is very light and very strong, I can feel that. And also these bolts are mainly from this stainless steel, so no rusting issues, nothing to worry about. And fitting can be done from like your local mechanic, and their website also has shown like how it will be fitted, like diagram. And the cable routing, these are the reach series inclined one, so you will have to route your cable from outside the handlebar. The diagram I'll show you in the this video itself. And if you are ordering the straight ones, no cable rerouting, only few minor adjustments you'll have to do according to your need, but it is not recommended from Carbon Racing. But for this one you will have to route the cables. So I'll also share the ride review, how it feels and how it is helpful for short riders and tall riders. So basically what they say, for short riders it is helpful because handlebar will be like in full reach, and for taller ones it will be more upright sitting position compared to what the stock seat provides. So overall I found this good in terms of quality, but for ride review you will have to wait. I'll post the video soon. So thanks for connecting and thanks for watching this video. Thank you.